We just picked up this 2005 Polaris Sportsman 500 HO. Find out why I call it the Land Rover of the quads. G'day, as the thumbnail says, it is. Find out the reasons why I think that and let me know what you think. I'll also give you a rundown on the pros and cons of getting a Polaris, especially the Sportsman 500 HO. I not only got this because it was cheap, I got it because it is damn comfortable. The Land Rover of the quads. In the world of quads, this has to be one of the most comfortable quad bikes you can ride. And I mean comfortable. A superb cushion, excellent suspension system, good long travel, probably the longest travel of all quads, solid as. However, it is the Land Rover of quads because of reliability as well. It ain't the worst and it ain't the best. Personally, I think it's worth having one. Yeah, you got to do some work on it every now and then, but it pays for itself in all other areas. This one's four-wheel drive, electric start, automatic transmission, reverse, neutral, low range, high range, lights. The lights on this aren't really working at the moment. The gauge isn't really working on this one at the moment. I was told the fuel pump will need replacing within the next 12 months. I'll do that sooner rather than later. And of course, back brake is non-existent at the moment. I'll have a look at that later on and sort it out. Outside that, it's good as. I'll have to do things like the stereotypical CV joints. You can buy the whole shaft and CV all in one for a pretty good price. Much easier to change doing it that way. Needs a bit of work, nothing unusual, especially for a almost 20-year-old quad bike. Share your thoughts down below. Tell us what you think if you've had one. Tell us if you think there's better ones out there. But I can assure you, with the few I've ridden, this is comfy. I love the fact that you've got your racks front and rear. This one even opens up. It's got some storage compartments inside and easy access to the radiator. And that's one thing I've heard people complain about is the radiator. It's sloped. So if you're going to do a lot of mudding, you're going to have to keep an eye on that and flush it out. This one was retrofitted with a fan override, and I think that's one of the reasons why. Smart idea actually, especially when you're crawling up mountains and through the rough stuff in low range, four-wheel drive. Giving it that extra airflow helps protect the engine. She's a cheap one but a good one. And I promised the kids years ago when I sold their little 110 quad bike, I'll shoot up a picture of it. I'd get them another quad bike one day. Okay, it's for all of us. It's for Mrs. Wild and the Wildlings, but they're loving it. They really are enjoying this. It's a huge step up from their toy. I'll take it for a little run and show you. You'll be able to see what the suspension's like. Not going through anything extreme, but it'll give you an idea. Some footage of the little wildling riding it. Maybe even Mrs. Wild. Like, subscribe. We've got more machinery to share in the coming weeks. We've been doing some shopping. Rightio, folks. Do I regret buying a close to 20-year-old quad bike, especially a Polaris Sportsman 500 HO? Nope. This thing is awesome. Quick service, bring it up to scratch. I think we're going to look forward to many years of useful service and a bit of fun on the side. I'm Mr. Wild. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.